Okay, we are going to take a look at example 7 about a pension plan and how it's calculated. A pension plan is always going to be calculated with 3 basic pieces of information. The first is a percentage set by the employer. The second is years of service, like years worked. And the third is an average of salaries. It could be the average of your last 5 years of salaries, like this question. It could be the top 3 salaries over the course of all your years worked. It just depends, but it will be some type of average there. So we're going to read through this. Marina works at Washington Performing Arts Center. Her employer offers her a pension plan. Marina's employer uses a formula to calculate the pension. A retiring employee will receive 1.5% of their average salary for the last 5 years of employment for every year worked. That's a mouthful. All I really care about right now is that they gave me the percentage that I need. Next thing that says, Marina is planning on retiring at the end of this year after 25 years of service or employment. Marina would receive this amount each year until her death. That's a pension. It's like a retirement. Her salaries for the last 5 years are as follows. I am not going to read all those to you. You're more than capable. But I am going to highlight them because we are going to need that to find the average. They did not give me the average. All they did was give me this. Okay? So I'm going to go back and find that average salary with a little bit of math. So I'm going to go ahead and type this out. 88,900 plus 92,200 plus 96,000 plus 98,000. I'm going to run out of space here. I can already see. 102,000 is my last one. I'm going to make it fit. Beautiful. Okay. Anytime we are finding an average, we are going to take all of those values and we are going to divide them by the total number of items. So I'm going to set up a nice little fraction here. There were 5 salaries, so we are going to add them all together and divide by 5. That's what gives us an average. I'm going to go over here to Desmos to do this. You guys, when I highlighted, When I highlighted all of those salaries, I did this really smart thing. I hit Control C, Control V, and I don't have to retype it again. Her total salary for 5 years was $477,100. I'm going to take that amount and divide it by 5 to get my average salary. We're going to need that. So to calculate her pension, type in an extra letter there, we are going to take that average of salaries, $95,420. We are going to multiply it by the years worked, which was 25, and we're going to multiply it by that percentage. You can put 1.5 in out of 100, make it a fraction, or you can already convert it to a decimal and change it to 0.015. Either way will work. You guys, when you use this Control C feature, just make sure you don't use any commas because Desmos does not like them. Just a fair warning. So I'm going to do that a little bit faster, typing it in this way. And I can see that the amount given is $35,782.50. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. So her pension amount, the annual amount she is going to receive, it said 0.5 or 0.50 is fine because that's to the nearest cent. So every year she will receive $35,782.50. It's not anywhere near her salaries at the end of her career, but it does give her about $36,000 for the year. So about $3,000 a month.